Hi everybody. Today I repurposed my old fridge. Shall we open it inside, shall we? Yes, I repurposed it. I found a new purpose for it instead of throwing it out. Pretty cool, eh?